What up, guys? What's going on? It's a very nice day out today, so I thought I would come out and ride because I've had a boring day so far with school and everything, so just thought I'd come up and ride. And there's actually a couple cars out here today, and it's only 3:30, so it's kind of weird. And rush hour doesn't start till like 4:30 to 5 o'clock around Millard Park South. I think it's actually in the 70s today, but I'm not entirely sure, but it might be in the 80s. But for sure it's in the 60s and 70s today. He's got his music blaring. Hey.
What the heck? What are you doing?
Riding around over here. Dude, what are they doing over there on top of there? On the roof. In that brown house. I see that, but...
Are you making a vlog?
Yeah. There's this one kid up there that keeps staring at me. He's like a stalker, so I just went over here. Faith Riding Johnny move. If you guys don't know who he is, go to his YouTube channel, Faith Riding Johnny. He's a boss. I'm gonna try to do what? No, thank God. He couldn't interrupt my ride then. Oh. By the way, guys, I just started to learn sit-down wheelies. I'm getting better, but I haven't been able to get out in the last couple of days, so I'm a little rusty. This kid thinks he's terrible, but all it really takes is practice. You have to start with stand-ups and then do sit-downs. That's how I learned. Let's try this again. I'm literally just cruising around the neighborhood right now, desperately waiting for someone to get out of the street so I can do some wheelies. Right as I say that, there's a car coming. That's a relief. Good Lord. Put your Instagram link. Yeah, can you put my Instagram down? Yeah. You know those girls down there? They were freaking staring at me, and I'm like, stop looking. So I just took it off for a second. And then there's that kid. How do you guys like my beast? I was actually in first place for like a minute with that babe. Man, such a good moment. Hey guys, I'm vlogging. Woo.
What up, guys? Hey, guys.
Oh, perfect! Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that little stunt montage. So, thanks to @TrevorFoot 245 for filming it. Follow him on Instagram at @TrevorFoot 245. I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I will see you next time, guys. Peace.